In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change payment method in Progressive Insurance 2026. To get started, open your browser and go to the Progressive website, specifically the Login and Policy Management section. Once the page loads, sign in to your account using your usual login credentials. Make sure you're on the correct account before continuing, especially if you manage more than one insurance policy or share access across a household. After you're signed in, if your account shows multiple policies, take a moment to select the specific policy you want to update. This is important because payment settings can be tied to an individual policy, so you want to make sure you're editing the correct one before making any changes. Next, look at the top menu and click on Payments. This will take you to the billing and payment area for your policy. From there, select Payment Methods or Update Payment Method, depending on which option appears on your screen. The exact wording can vary slightly, but both will lead you to the section where you can manage how your payments are processed. Now you can add your new payment method. Progressive typically allows several options here, including a credit card, a debit card, or a bank checking account through ACH. Choose the option that fits your preference, then carefully enter the updated payment information. As always, double check the details before moving forward to avoid billing issues or decline payments later. If you're currently enrolled in AutoPay, there's one extra thing to watch for. After adding the new payment method, make sure you set it as the default method for future automatic payments. This step matters because simply adding a new card or bank account doesn't always mean it will automatically replace the old one for scheduled billing. Once everything looks correct, save your changes. After saving, look for a confirmation message on the screen. This confirms that the update was successfully submitted and that your new payment method is now on file. It's a good idea to pause for a moment and verify that the confirmation is clearly displayed before leaving the page. And that's it. Your payment method should now be updated in your Progressive account. If you don't see the confirmation message, or if the update doesn't seem to stick, refresh the page or revisit the payment section to confirm the change was applied. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you update your Progressive payment method quickly and smoothly.